Today we'll have very productive meetings in this visit. India is at the cornerstone of how the United States approaches the Indo-Pacific, and not just through the Quad, but bilaterally. You see that in the $20 billion of Indian companies invested in the United States. You see it in their signing up for Pax Silica, but you also see it in the other opportunities we have to explore between two advanced economies. I know there's a lot of American interest in the corporate side in the United States, highly skilled labor, highly skilled workers here, production capabilities, and vice versa in the United States as well. So there's just so much for us to work on, and we have a very solid foundation. I think it's also appropriate, and we'll talk more about this tomorrow, to be here to celebrate America's 250th anniversary, our 250th birthday, in which the world's oldest economy in the United States and the world's oldest democracy in the United States and the world's largest democracy here in India are natural partners now and in the future. So it's a great relationship already. It really is. We do so much together, and there's so much more to do. And so I hope that this visit continues to add to those areas in which we work together in a variety of forums and settings and in a variety of sectors and areas.